global market, global market, global market, compliance, 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 e-commerce, 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 currency exchange, currency exchange, currency exchange, foreign market, foreign market, foreign market, global market. For example, understanding global market trends is key to our success. Compliance. For example, we must ensure compliance with all international laws and regulations. E-commerce. For example, e-commerce has become a vital part of our international sales strategy. Currency exchange. For example, our market entry strategy focuses on understanding local consumer behavior. Foreign market. For example, our next goal is to penetrate the foreign market more effectively.